I just wanted to see why my student is having problem with his application. So let me see what is happening. So we've got it seems we've got all these models that have been created. Copy this thing and so basically what you need to do is I think the migrations have not been created yet. So I think what you need to do is right click on the project. This is where you right click on. So but I think first of all let me see if what you've done is if there is any. Let me check. Okay, let me do Django check and see what if we have any problem. Yeah, no issue. System check identifies no issue. Let me see your settings because there are certain things, the problem is always that there are certain things you need to have you registered this catalog app here. You see, you've not registered the catalog app here. I think that is part of the problem because if you create an app, you need to register this application. You need to register the app, the catalog app. If you don't register the catalog app within this area, you have to register it here. Then you will not be able to perform migration and do all those things. So you need to register your catalog app. You need to register the catalog app. That is, you need to register this app within this app section. So you follow what I did step by step. You should be able to get it. So let me register this catalog app in my application session. So yeah. I think that's where the problem is. You didn't register this here, so you need to register all the application you create. Make sure you register them here. If not, you won't be able to perform any of those migration and whatever. So we've registered this here. Let's see. Do we have any models here? Okay, we don't have any models here. So let me check again to see if all the models you've created are correct. So what I will need to do is let me do Python check again. You see, I'm going to Python and I'm doing check. So if there is any problem with so there is no issue identified. So the next thing I need to do is to do my, to create my migration. So let's make migration. Yeah. So I think migrations have been created. So let's see. Let's see. 101 initial. Okay. Catalog app. Yeah, let's see the migrations. Okay, I think let me see the files. Yeah, the migration file has been created. So your migrations have been created. These are your migrations, as you can see. So yeah, the next thing you need to now do is to the next thing you will now need to do is to so your migrations have been created. So once you create this migration, you make the migration. So you migrate. So you do Django. Initially, we did Django make migration to create this migrations file. This migrations file. Then we need to now do Django. You need to do Django migrate. So this will create the whole thing in the database. Yeah, I think it has created our stuff in the database. So if I go back to the database, this is the database. If I refresh this database, let's refresh this database and see. Yeah, as you can see, we have our categories have been created, our brand and our product. So yeah, it's correct. So what happened is that you have to register your, you didn't, the problem is that you didn't register You didn't register. The problem is that you did not register this. You didn't register this application you created. You didn't register the application you created within your settings file. So you need to register this app, this catalog app, within this particular. You go to BMS project. This is your base project. You go to settings and register it here. You didn't register it. You need to register it here. You see. So I think that is all. That is all. You need to register it here. You need to register it here. That's what you didn't do. That's why the application is not working. But just make sure to register everything here. So just follow the instruction I gave in the lecture. Everything is okay. I think you are okay. Everything is okay for you. Yeah. So